So welcome back to my channel. So digital electronics basics. So we will study today about NAND and NOR gate. These are also called as universal gates. The series is logic gate made simple with practical experiments. All right. So how to test the gates that we are going to discuss. In the previous videos, we have seen other gates also. Today we'll discuss NAND and NOR gates. So let's start with NAND gate. That is, NAND gate is the special type of logic gate, which is also known as the universal gate. We also call it as the universal gate because it can be used to implement other basic logic gates like AND, OR, and NOT. These are the beginning, the very basic gates, that is AND, OR, and NOT. So there are different type of NAND gate, that is, which has, depending upon the input, that is, two input NAND gate, we call it as, mostly we use that in the two table. So three input NAND gate and multiple input also are present. Okay. So likewise, I have shown you there. So this is about NAND gate. This is the circuit. When we go to our lab, I will explain you about this circuit and we will see practically. All right. So this is about NAND gate. Now we'll discuss about NOR gate. Okay. So before going to the NAND gate, you please remember what IC we have used here. So we have used 74LS00. This is the IC. Okay. So for the practical purpose, we are using, then for NAND gate, we have used that IC because different numbers are given for different ICs. So next is NOR gate. Here we have used 74. We have used 74HC02. series IC. You can see here on the right hand side, what is that? There are 4 gates inside this, and the single gate looks like that. That is 2 A and B are the input and Q is the output. And this is the two triple that we are going to discuss in our this thing. That is, when we go to the lab, we'll check with the help of a multimeter. Okay. NOR gate performs not or operation. That is not an OR operation between two or more binary inputs and gives output binary will be there. This is a combination of OR gate and NOT gate. Okay, so OR and NOT gate. So we will discuss about that also. So types of NOR gates, right? Dependent 2 input NOR gates, 3 input NOR gate, and multiple input NOR gate. Okay, like NAND gate, here also you have different type of gates. Okay, right. So you can see on the left hand side, there is on your screen about the breadboard, how the connections are being made. Very simple, very simple. That the same connection we are going to check. Instead of, we have used some resistor also. And this is the circuit, that is, we call it as SR latch, right? SR latch circuit. There were 2 gates of the same in the same IC can be used and can be interconnected. The NOR gate makes up an SR latch. You understood what is SR latch? SR latch is, latching is nothing but we use this word for storing single bit of data information. When you store single of data, so these type of gates, right, for used for data storage. Okay, please remember this type of gates used for data storage. Right. So latches, SR latch, there are different type of latches that we are not going to discuss about this thing. So let's go to our lab and check out the practical. So friend, we are in our lab now. So we are discussing NAND gate, okay, which is also called as universal gate. So we'll check the truth according to truth table, whether my circuit is working properly or not. Okay. So number one, first, the IC for NAND gate I have used is 74HC00, 7400. We call it as, it is CMOS IC, which works on like other IC 74 series or this thing. This 00 is the last 2 numbers. So this is nothing but a combination of NAND gates. 4 NAND gates are there. So we are using only one NAND gate, that is pin number 1, 2, and 3. So again, 2 inputs A and B. These are the 2 switches which are connected. One end is connected to the supply. Another one is connected to pin number 1. That is the one gate on one side of the this thing, your NAND gate, and another end is to pin number 2, and pin number 3 is output through a resistor. That is series resistor of 220 or 330 ohms. This 210K resistors, last time also I told you, it is connected to ground through this 2 input ends. Okay, so this is the arrangement. So we have used a battery. We will just see what is the voltage. I will try to show it to you. So let's take the negative point here. This is my negative point, and this is positive. Let's see what is the voltage coming. It is high, right? That is 3 volts. Here also it is low. It is high. So that means when both the side is high, the light should not come. That is, it should be 0. So according to truth table, that is 0, 0, or rather 1, 1. It should be low. So now the light is closed. Now let's try press the switch again. Let's see, the light has come. That is output is high. So here I have made it to 0. Here it is already 1. So 0, 1, that is 1. Okay, let's put this on again. This thing. Let's see. This is 0, 0. That is high. Okay, 0, 0. It will be high. That is, the light will come. The high means 1. Okay, so likewise, you have to. We can check the circuit. So again, I will show you this. Well, let's make this as a 0. Let's see. This is high. So now it is 0. This is low. Okay. Let's see, it's high. Let's make it 0. Right? So it is 1 high. So let's make it 1, 1. 1, that is high. And already this is 1. Okay. So let's see why it is not coming. Okay, there is some loose contact over here. I have not connected properly. So now it is off. So 1, 1, 0. Got it? So this is the thing you have to understand. Please remember, this is 0. This is 1. Sorry. This is also 1. That is, the supply is coming. Right? Here also the supply is there. It is 0. So likewise, we have just studied about NAND gates. NAND gate. We will check the other gate also now. Okay. Students and friends. So now we will discuss about NOR gate. Okay. So you can see on your screen, I have used an IC called 74HC02. This is the IC 7HC02. Again, 2 switches, 1 LED. Right now the LED is working. I'm powering it with the 3.7 volts battery. So this HC series 02 works from 2 volts. So that already we have discussed. Okay. So supply has been given. 2 switches given to supply point. In this end, you will get this, which is connected to pin number 2 and 3. Please remember, in this IC, pin number 2 and 3 are the input, and pin number 1 is the output from here. Okay. So pin number 1 is the output. There is a notch here. On the notch, you can see on the left hand side, the pin number 1 starts. So 1, 2, 3. 2, 3 are the input, and this is the output, as in the truth table. Right now, you see that the light is glowing. So what is the condition that we are going to check? Okay. So what we'll do is, with the help of a multimeter, we will check it. So I will just keep it one place, that is, this is ground. And let's see what is on pin number 2, and it is 0. Pin number 3 is also 0. So when this is 2 and 3 are low, please remember, low. At that time, the light is coming. That means the output is high. So that is 0, 0, 1. So what I will do is, one of the switch, I will just try to switch it off. Right? So this becomes high. This becomes low. At that time, the output is low. Let's try with this also. This also low. We will do it. So let's see. This is low, high. This is high. Even then, this is low. So that is nothing but high. That is 1, 1, 1 is equal to 0. That is low. So what is the condition? When both of them are low, at that time, this will become high. So I will just press it again. Let's see. Okay. So now it is high. Now it is 0, 0, and it is high. That is the 1. You can see here, it is high. Okay. So this is the simple way of understanding it. There is one more thing in this, that is, we call it as a SR latch. We call it as a SR latch. Okay. SR latch, here we connect 2 gates together, not together, in a series way. So that will, why we use SR latch? Why? Because the last the digit will be stored in it, and the next number, if you want to switch it off, it will be switched off. So we can make an SR latch circuit also, but just for showing the very basics of the NOR gate. Okay.